Good morning, friends. It is a cold, blustery day today out here at Bolivar Flats. So Vicky and I decided we were going to go tool around and see what we can find. We're trying to get to Goat Island. I don't know if this is going to work or not. So we took a wrong turn. We're going to go to this cemetery instead.
She's lost. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
All right. This is a little bit underwhelming. Yeah, cemetery on a peninsula.
That's the road Google told us to take. They won't let us in.
They heard we were coming.
So we're going to take that road, see what happens. Turn around, Lost.
Look right, Lost.
Do we have a name? Waterways Drive.
Why those Goat Island people don't want us to visit. Dead end, see?
We're on a peninsula. Everything's a dead end. She's not catching on, folks. It's pretty.
It's pretty. There's a reason I don't let her navigate very often. Dead ends. It's pretty though.
It is pretty.
There's a waterway right there.
You see any Rosetta spoonbills?
Rosetta, spoonbill for two.
That's where they keep their boats.
Those are pretty houses. Pretty. This.
Somebody fancies.
They got money. Oh, we're dead ending into somebody's driveway. I guess this is the end of the road. And I think Goat Island is on the other side of that waterway.
Yep, it's over there.
Yep. Alright, we'll turn around.
Wrong back door.
That's why these people have that there, is because they're tired of people turning around. Alright, fine. We can't find goats, but we found ponies. Aw, y'all are cute. No, I don't have any food. Sorry. Okay, bye.
I see a dead end.
What does that mean?
Turn around, Lost.
Dang it.
But there's Goat Island. Look, there's water. So that has to be Goat Island over there.
Yeah, I just don't want us visited.
What are they hiding over there that they don't want us to know about?
Goats. Goats.
Dang it. We're going to try another one.
So if you're in the market for a wooden Elvis or a Sasquatch, possibly a Grinch, this is where you find them. On the corner of Crystal Beach Road and this other road. Alright, we're going to go check out Crystal Beach because we're here on Crystal Beach Road.
Such a colorful island.
Isn't it though? Five Palms RV Park, but one of the palm trees fell, so it's now full of palms.
Oh, that's so sad.
Well,
Look at that water, man.
dead end.
Hey, Lost.
Yeah.
Are you going to go out on that beach?
I don't know.
I think you should a little ways.
I don't know.
Oh, you've turned around successfully? No, what?
I don't know. I say we go up here and take a right,
Okay,
and then go down and take a left.
let's do it.
Let's try it
One more time.
one more time. Decided to relocate the fire ring to the non-windy side. Poor Vicky. Nice. Good job. Is that a cruise ship?
That almost looks like a cruise ship, doesn't it?
It does.
I think it.
Yep, I think that might be a cruise ship. On tonight's menu, some lovely ribeyes. Got corn on the grill. Yum, yum. He's got the fire going.
Your ambiance.
This is the life. Watching the ship sail by. Yeah, I could do this for a while. Hope it doesn't snow again this year.
That was fun though.
It was. So you see that haze out there? That's from a fire that's been burning all day, coming from this direction. And I think they finally got the fire out, but yeah, lots of smoke all the way down the beach. Crazy. Oh, the sun is about to go down. And the steaks are about to go on. Uh-huh. Yup. Yeah, buddy. All right, we're going to dig in and enjoy our evening. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, stay lost, my friends. Go to the beach and get lost. It's really hard to get lost on the beach, though.
Do you feel hopeful?
I'm starting to feel a little less than hopeful. This is gonna work. We're going down a random road.
But there's ducks on post. I gotta go down a little before I put my butt in the camera. But